Versus Donald Rogers, ticket number U50374919. I'm sorry, ticket number U50375419. Count one, disorderly conduct. Ticket number U45505018. Mr. Rogers, get in the quiet place, sir. Miss Wright, get in the quiet place, please.
Okay, state my name.
Ticket number P1216447. Count one, driver unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your, and count three, accident drive fails to use due care and caution. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, Mr. Rogers.
Mr. Rogers.
State my name.
Yes, sir.
My name Donald Rogers, Donald Curtis Rogers.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client. He's going to avail himself of that.
Mr. Rogers, raise your right hand, sir.
Excuse me, say it again.
Raise your right hand.
Rogers, Donald Rogers.
Raise your right hand.
Oh, yeah, I've raised it. Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I did.
Or you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today in private about your case and your right?
Sure.
Oh, okay.
I'm asking, did you speak to the attorney about your case and your right?
Okay, is my attorney on the phone?
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, they didn't. No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, I'm pleading guilty.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of August 17, 2021 at 2:30 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Livernois and Joy Road in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2013 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Well, at the time, I thought everything was registered, but I take the weight for it because she brought all the car lot, so I didn't know at the time. So I was responsible. I'm driving the car, so no way I can prove it. So I'm going to have to plead guilty to it.
So the vehicle was unregistered, yes or no?
Okay, yes. It was unregistered.
Okay. You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied. We'll amend the count to improper plates. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Prejudice, we will proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine of $200, Mr. Rogers. Can you have that fine paid by November 1st?
Oh, yeah, yes, definitely. That's good. That's good for me. Yes, I have it paid.
Do you have any questions?
No, I don't.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, so I'm done with everything. Just pay that $200 fine.
You're done, sir.
I'm done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. All right, thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Yep, you too.
To Ms. Rise, Tennille Rise. This is ticket number P1179043, count one, driver license suspended, count two, open alcohol in a motor vehicle, count three, improper plate, ticket P1179309, count one. Those are, I'm sorry, strike that. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Hello?
Attorney Soroki.
Yes, Tennille Rise.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Rise, the people have made a recommendation. She wishes to avail herself of that.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rise.
Yes, it's list.
Is your right hand raised?
Yes, I do, ma'am.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki today about your case and your rights.
Yes, I have.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Your Honor.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to April 19, 2021 at 4:22 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 7 Mile and Coyle in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you driving a 2003 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes, I did.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied the factual basis. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Rice, there's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that paid by November 1st?
Yes, you said at $40.
I said $200.
$200 November 1st.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I will. I'll be able to have it.
Okay. Any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set. Good luck.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Willie DeBerry. Turn your video on, Mr. DeBerry. Ticket number P1254199. Count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Dewberry.
Say your name, sir.
Willie DeBerry.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to review Mr. DeBerry's insurance and his registration. I'm moving for dismissal at this time.
Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. DeBerry. Good luck to you, sir.
Appreciate you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Hang up, sir. Good luck. This is the People versus Cherry Rosario Key. Ticket number P1236858, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Miss Rosario P.
Say your name, ma'am.
Terry Rosario King.
Okay, you should not be in a moving motor vehicle while we're doing this hearing. Go ahead, Mr. Roki.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to review her insurance. It's valid at this time. I'm moving for dismissal.
Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
Right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. Ms. Rosario Key, you are all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you.
People versus Christopher Richardson, ticket number B123740, count 1, fail to vaccinate dog for rabies and provide proof of vaccination. And ticket number B123739, count 1, harboring an unlicensed dog. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Richardson.
Say your
Christopher
name, sir.
Mark Richardson.
Your Honor, Mr. Richardson did provide a vaccination records for his dog and also a dog license. At this time, moving for dismissal.
You stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Roki.
Related.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Richardson, you are all set. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You too, sir. Thank you. This is the People versus Reginald Daniels, ticket number P1336 6661, count one, driver's license never acquired, count two, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Daniels.
Say your name, sir.
Reginald Daniels.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Daniels is entering a plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Right hand, Mr. Daniels. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You understand you can put your hand down, you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Keep your voice up, sir. Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea. Set it for a bench trial for,
November, what is it? Is that a holiday, the eighth?
no, the 8th.
Okay, the eighth.
We'll do November 8th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're on set, Mr. Daniels. This is the People versus China Russell, ticket number U60313321, count one, animal running at large. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of the defendant.
I'm
Say your
arrested.
name. Okay. How'd you find what you received, Ms. Siroki?
Your Honor, at this time, Ms. Russell is entering a pleading not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Russell. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial for November 8th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you.
All right, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
You too. Bye.
This is the versus Demetrius Dawson, ticket number X3353544. Count one, open intoxicants in vehicle passenger, and count one, furnish false forged information to police officer. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Siroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Dawson.
Say your name, sir.
Demetrius Dawson.
Your Honor, the people have offered my client a delayed sentence on the open alcohol passenger count. They're dismissing the other count. My client's waiving his rights, asking court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dawson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah,
Are you saying yes or no?
yeah.
You're saying yes?
Can you, yeah, yes.
Yes, I need you to say yes, not yeah, no, I need to
No,
hear yes.
I said yes.
Okay, I heard it the third time. All right, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Siroki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of July 22nd, 2018 at 1:10 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Trojan and Greenfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2018 Dodge vehicle?
No, I was a passenger.
Okay, you were in a 2018 Dodge vehicle. And did you furnish false or forged information to a police officer?
Your Honor, I believe the recommendation was he would plead to the open alcohol and dismiss that count.
She has count one, dismissing count two.
Well, count one is open alcohol.
Right. That's
So
what-
she,
I'm sorry, you are correct. You're correct. Thank you. Thank you. Did, as a passenger in that vehicle, did you have open intoxicants in the vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, you know what, she has alcohol next to count 2. That's what confused me on the
We
plea.
went back and forth, Judge.
Okay, all right, so, you're satisfied, Ms. Soroki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, the court is also satisfied. We'll proceed to sentencing. So, this is a 3-month delayed sentence, Mr. Dawson. You have 3 months to pay the $200 fine. You cannot get any more citations or any tickets. So essentially, no further police contact. You will come back on January 5th, 2023 at 8:35. If you've done all that's been asked of you, then this will be dismissed off your record, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Soroki, you do stipulate the probable cause as to count 2 to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
So that's dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dawson.
All right, thank you.
This is Daniel Reynolds. Ticket number. Ticket number U60062521. Turn your video on, Mr. Reynolds. Count 1, offer to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. And ticket number 1350314. Count 1, drive while unlicensed, no valid ID, and uninsured motor vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Reynolds.
Say your name, Mr. Reynolds.
Daniel Reynolds.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation in this matter that they would offer my client a reduced plea of disorderly conduct. At this time, he's waiving his rights.
What does he want? I'm sorry.
He's going to accept the reduced plea of disorderly conduct.
Okay. All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Reynolds. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Soroki today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 29, 2021 at 7:15 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near John R. and Remington in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you offer to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Oki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Satisfied the factual basis. Will amend the count to disorderly conduct. You stipulate the probable cause as to this 2013 ticket.
So stipulated.
Those matters are dismissed without prejudice, and we will proceed to sentencing. You'll be sentenced to a 6-month term of probation. You need to complete STI and HIV testing. We don't need to know the results. We just need to make sure that you actually did the testing, and you need to complete a morality course. If you have a pen ready, I can give you some phone numbers.
Say that again.
If you have a pen ready, I can give you some phone numbers.
Okay. Hold on.
Just write it on your phone.
Okay, I got it. Sir.
Okay, so you need to call probation. That phone number is 313-965-3141. You also need to set up the morality course. That is 313-864-8205.
All right, Al 313-864.
8205.
8205.
Your next court date is March 30th at 8:35. You do all that's been asked of you, you will be discharged of probation.
March 30th.
I'm sorry?
You said March 30th?
March 30th, that's your next court date. That will be 6 months.
Okay.
All right, so you're all set, sir.
Okay.
Okay. This is the people versus Lorenzo Rumley. Ticket number, did you first, sorry. P113745, count 1, drove a license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, behalf of Mr. Rumbly.
Say your name, sir.
Renzo Rumbly.
Your Honor, Mr. Rumbly did provide registration, insurance, and his driver's license and move for dismissal.
Stipulate the probable cause.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Rumley. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Versus Raeigen Singh, ticket number U61799221, count 1, interfering with city employee, knowingly failed to comply with lawful command of a police officer. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Sorokin.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, behalf of Mr. Singh.
Say your name, sir.
Raeigen Singh.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Singh is entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Singh. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
So the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial for November 8th at 9 o'clock.
Is it possible to do a later time? Because I'm in California. And no. Okay.
Sorry.
All right.
Yeah, he's gonna have to get up at like 5 in the morning. Well, no, he's gonna have to get up at like 4 to be ready at 5 in the morning, but you'll be all right.
Yo, so do I have to procure an attorney or?
There'll be an attorney there for you. Just
Okay.
Like so they'll be one
Okay.
there for you. But I mean, I don't know if you're asking, you can retain your own attorney. You can apply to see if you can have an attorney appointed for you if you're indigent.
Okay.
Any other questions? Did you want?
No. What was the date again? I'm sorry.
November 8th at 9.
Okay.